give me kisses.
Mama.
It takes one thing that a birth mother needs to connect with you. Get a hashtag, get a website, put yourself out there. They want to see how their kids are going to be raised with you. They want to see the hot mess that we are. She's like, that video that you guys made, I was peeing my pants. And I wanted to make sure that my boys were in a loving, funny household. And that's all I wanted.
We made a special tune. We hope to see you soon, even next month or this June. Future parents Joe and Gabe will take care of you too. Change diapers 1 or 2. We'll love and hug and kiss you. Love to adopt you today. Baby, bottle holding, our hearts brightly glowing. On a walk with you, we're strolling. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, haven't met you, and this is crazy. We'd love to call you our own baby. It's
Right away after our marriage, we started for a baby. We wanted a big family, and we tried, but it wasn't successful.
I had chemotherapy, I had radiation, I was BRCA2 positive, so I had to have my ovaries taken out.
I met Faith Russo, and Faith took me to another level, that everything is going to be fine, that we are going to be parents, is going to happen, but we have to put our heart and our story out there.
I feel strongly that social media really helps form families today. I'm sure the majority of my clients will tell you they would not be families if it wasn't for social media.
I decided, let's take the plunge, let's put ourselves out there. We did our website. When we showed our website to our lawyer was like, this is amazing, you should do this for other couples.
I placed an ad on Craigslist, and I basically wrote with my heart in my hand, and I told them basically what I wanted. A Hispanic family looking to adopt a newborn or a younger child, and we got over 985 replies. And finally, her birth mother had several kids already that she placed for adoption, and she could not place another baby. She had another baby, and that was her.
Oh, look at what's this?
A duck.
That's right.
A witch.
How does a duck go?
Quack, quack.
That's right.
This was the advertisement that her birth mom saw, and this is how we connected. So all these different posts were to show a snapshot of our life to any expectant mothers, and to say, hey, this is who we are.
I went on Fiverr, and for $5, I had someone write lyrics for us. And then we made a music video, and we uploaded it to Facebook. It got shared a lot. I was shocked. And then it was seen over I think 75,000 times through Facebook, and it just kept on sharing. And that video itself placed 5 babies. I have 2 of those babies. Another adoption mom has 1, and another family has 2 from that same video.
You're getting yourself out there. You're telling people on your private pages, if anyone is pregnant or knows someone who's pregnant, please consider us. And that's using social media also.
So I think that the hardest part was getting involved in social media. As teachers, my husband and I never was on social media. We never had a Facebook page. We never did Instagram. We never did anything.
At Thanksgiving, we got a phone call from Haley, and she said, hey, she sent me a picture of a bun in the oven. I saw the text message. And I was like, oh, you're baking? And she was like, no, it's not my photo. And I was like, oh, so whose photo is it? She's like, are you an idiot? And I was like, I guess, what is it? She's like, it's a bun in the oven. And I'm like, I know, I get it. There's bread in the oven. She's like, no, I'm pregnant again. Do you want to adopt my second baby? And I was like, oh my God, yes.
We didn't tell our family, his family, my family. We didn't tell anyone.
Sisters, everybody. Aunts, uncles.
My job didn't know what we were doing. And finally, when we adopted, we just said, we would like to introduce you to Gracie Gomez. And they all looking at us like
what?
What? And I said, this is our daughter. Yeah. We finally got a baby.
I went to Stop and Shop, and this lady stops me, and she goes, "I know you." And I said, I'm thinking to myself, I don't know you, but okay, you don't really look familiar. I know you. Where do I know you from? I shared your adoption page. I know. I said, oh my goodness, I'm Facebook famous. Isn't that crazy?
Hey, haven't met you.